It's Emily with veevonderland. Powder products in makeup are the new rave, and I thought it would be amazing to do a whole routine on some of the best powder products that I've tested, and to do it especially for oily skin. Let's go. Starting off, since oily skin already has a very natural sheen, the one thing that you want to do is to avoid looking extra oily or adding more oil, which means that you're going to need more matte products. The two things that I've used, or actually rather the three things that I've used today, is one, the Pore Professional Mini Benefit Primer. This is the mini size. Hopefully, if you get this, I think this is an amazing primer regardless of the size, so make sure you get the full size, not the mini size. I think that'll be worth more of your money. And something that I actually do, I normally don't do this, but this has been what I've been using along with this together. So first, I'll use this as kind of like a color correcting concealer for my face. As you can see, my complexion is pretty even, and that's thanks to this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Illumination. This is kind of oily, so that's why it's not really great for oily skin. However, if you go in with a powder on top of it, like this One Size by Patrick Ta powder, then it actually looks really good. It absorbs more and mattifies everything. So even though you have oily skin, those two products together work very well. The next thing that I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use powder for my brows as well as everything up here, and then I'll also be using a powder here to contour. But guess what palette I'm using? That's right, this palette, haha. For those of you who don't know, hi, I'm Emily from veevonderland Cosmetics. Welcome to this channel. I always use this palette no matter whatever it is I'm doing for on the go, for brows, just because of how versatile it is, how amazing it is. And you can get this palette. This is the Because of You I Dance All Day palette. You can get all of the products at veevonderlandcosmetics.com for 50% off right now. Check the link in the description. But moving on, using this angled brush, I'm going to define my brows, and I'm going to use the color Your Energy inside here. I'm not going to do black because I think it'll be more natural if I do a dark brown instead of a black. I'm just going in right here with my angled brush, kind of defining naturally where my brows are anyways, like so, just to make them a little bit cleaner. As you can see here, I do have some gaps, which is why I need to do this, especially for this side. I don't know why, but sometimes like my brows are like, oh no, we're gonna decide not to grow in this area, so I guess that's cool or whatever, but that's my brow situation right now. For the eyeshadow itself, I'm actually gonna go in with a different color, and I'm gonna go in with this whole palette called Stop Bullying. It's such a beautiful pink palette. This is perfect for any Valentine's Day occasion, special occasion, or honestly all of spring and summer. This is such a beautiful, feminine, and chic palette, which is also 50% off, so make sure you get that too. And I love all these colors. I don't know what to choose. I will choose the color because they're all nice, but I want to use this color. Just wanted to say that I used this before I went in with the eyeshadow, or before I go in with the eyeshadow, that is. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and Eden. Now I'm going to add a little bit of gold and add the color that is true to the rest of my eyes. Now it's time to do a simple eyeliner, and I love to use powder eyeliner, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use a brown one because once again I want it to be a little bit more mellow, a little bit more chic and feminine, and something that you can use every day. So Your Energy inside, that's what I'm going to do. Alright. Now I'm going to use this wonderful volumizing and lengthening mascara. This is literally my favorite mascara that I use all the time, no matter the occasion, because it is volumizing and lengthening. This is the veevonderland mascara. Every single time where I actually think my eyelashes are there, it's always because of this mascara. Like, what the heck? Do you see this? Like, whoa. And I haven't even curled them yet, so you know this is a good one. Like, what in the world? Looks like I don't need falsies because they're here. Continuing on with this powder theme, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Contour Palette. This one is a new one. I literally just started using it today, but I quite like it. It's very easy. So I just use a little bit of the dark side and just use a powder puffing brush. And it already brings like a nice natural shadow to my face, and this is great because I have oily skin and most of the contour sticks are all oily, and it was like, oh, I didn't really like that, but this is nice. I enjoy a good contour. So now for blush, I'm actually going to go back in with the Stop Bullying palette here, and I'm going to use the beautiful color I Believe in You. I believe in you, that you have the capacity to do good things in the world and do wonderful makeup, even though you're not a pro, because I'm here with you every step of the way, literally. I'm just kind of putting some up here. I like this color as a blush. Like, it's very natural looking. I enjoy that. Love a good color palette. To top it off, I'm just gonna do some natural lipstick. I'm using the brand Giorgio Armani with their A blush in the color Peach. If you really wanted to take this powder look all the way through, you could use the same color you used for your blush, put it on powder-wise, and then put on Vaseline. But this color is very close to what I put on my cheeks, so that's why I just put a little bit on here. Of course, since this is a powder look and there's tons of powder on your face, there is no better last step to finish off with than this Wanna Be Me setting spray by veevonderland. Literally magic in a bottle. Do a few spritz and you're done. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See ya!